Populations of cactus wren are in decline throughout coastal San Diego County. Cactus wrens only nest in cholla and prickly paracacti. This type of habitat is not common, which limits the area where the cactus wrens can live. Damage and destruction to cactus habitat makes it difficult for wrens to thrive. Over the last 2 decades, large, intense fires have damaged cactus wren habitat. Regional recovery efforts for coastal populations of cactus wrens are intended to stabilize and eventually increase population sizes. Otay Ranch Preserve is home to many rare bird species, including cactus wren. Coast cholla cactus die-off has likely contributed to a decrease in suitable habitat and population declines for the wrens. In Otay Ranch Preserve, cholla patches have declined in the last 10 to 15 years due to competition for water resources with weeds and native shrubs. Cactus wrens typically forage on the ground, and thick weed cover can prevent the wrens from finding their prey. Below average rainfall during most of the last decade has caused many patches of cholla to suffer or die from severe drought stress. The drought conditions have also likely decreased the availability of insect prey for foraging wrens. Within the preserve, shrubs and weeds have been removed from cholla patches in order to try to encourage wren breeding. Shrub and weed removal reduces competition for resources such as water and light and allows cholla cactus to thrive. It also provides bare ground for wrens to forage. Long-term control of weeds and shrubs around cholla patches will reduce the risk of catastrophic fires that have the potential to cause the loss of wren habitat. Through population monitoring, biologists are able to determine if habitat restoration has successfully increased the number of cactus wrens. Restoration efforts within the preserve have increased the amount of cholla habitat available for cactus wrens, which is expected to allow wrens to breed and increase their population size.